Hey, if you are wondering if you can switch lenses during the video recording on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, well, yes and no. And what I mean, take a look. When you go for a full HD and start recording from an ultra-wide angle camera, we can actually switch between every lens. We can zoom in up to the 15 times. But when we start from a 60, also it's possible. We can easily do this. What if we start from, for example, 5x? As you can see, it's still possible to change lenses. But if you go for a 4K, and in the 4K start from the ultra-wide angle in the 30 frames per second, it's still possible. If you start from the 5x, it's still possible. But if you go for like 60 frames per second and start on the 5x, as you can see right now, you cannot go back to the 2x, 1x, or for example, the ultra-wide angle camera. If you start from the ultra-wide angle camera, you can do this. Just like this. Oh, I just switched, so never mind. Let's do this one more time. There we go. So as you can see, we are switching and everything is working properly. And if we go for 120 frames per second and start recording, it's not possible. Actually, we can only go for 5x, 6x, 1x, but we cannot go ultra wide angle or, for example, 15x zoom.